Today we're discussing the 7 best WordPress plugins to help you boost your online presence and take your business to the next level. Let's dive in. Hi, I'm Christine on with Thrive Themes, and in this video I'll be talking about not just which plugins you need for your business website, but also the kinds of plugins you should be looking at to fulfill a specific need. Let's jump right in. First, you're going to need a page builder plugin. So as an online business owner, you're going to be putting together sales pages, thank you pages, email opt-in pages, webinar sign-up pages, and you're going to need a tool to help you create those pages. In addition, you might also have a blog and you might want fancier elements than what WordPress offers you. And in addition to that, you're going to need things like a contact form, a lead generation form, social sharing icons. So with all of those needs, the best tool that will take care of all of that for you is Thrive Architect. But what really makes Thrive Architect a truly amazing tool is all of the templates it comes with so that you don't need to have any design skills to get started. You've got templates for sales pages, thank you pages, webinar sign-up pages, and more. And you won't have to struggle with figuring out what to write on those pages because they come with example text already filled in for you. Now, what if you want to build a specific kind of page from scratch, or what if you want to add specific sections to a page? This plugin also comes with hundreds of blocks that you can simply drag and drop onto your page in just a few clicks. It's super easy to build the exact layout you need for your business, and even better, everything is responsive right out of the box, so if you're using a Thrive Architect template, you know it'll look good on all screen sizes. Lastly, what about the little things? Things like adding video to your pages, testimonials, star ratings, image galleries, guarantee boxes, things like that. Thrive Architect comes with dozens of elements that you can place anywhere you want on the page. And there's lots more awesomeness that comes with Thrive Architect, but we don't really have time to mention everything here. You can learn more about Thrive Architect by going to the link posted in the description. Next, you're going to need an SEO plugin. So SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results. The higher your website ranks, the more traffic and potential customers you will attract also. An SEO plugin helps you optimize your content, making it easier for search engines to understand and index your site, which ultimately leads to better rankings. Now, out of the numerous SEO plugins available, All-in-One SEO is hands down one of the best choices for entrepreneurs, and here's why. First, All-in-One SEO offers a quick and simple setup process. With its user-friendly interface, even beginners can configure the settings and start optimizing their website right away. Second, All-in-One SEO comes with a comprehensive set of features such as XML sitemaps, schema markup, and social media integration. These advanced tools make it easy for you to optimize your content for search engines, ensuring that your website has a solid SEO foundation. Third, the team behind All-in-One SEO is committed to keeping the plugin up to date with the latest SEO best practices. This means you can trust that your website is always optimized for the ever-changing search engine algorithms. So with its user-friendly interface, advanced features, and reliable support, I really do think that All-in-One SEO is the best choice to help you achieve better search engine rankings. Check out the link in the description to learn more. Next, you're going to need a lead generation plugin. Now, I already mentioned lead generation briefly with Thrive Architect, but the lead generation element that comes with Thrive Architect is specifically for placing opt-in forms within the content of a page. What if you want a timed lead generation pop-up, or a ribbon across the top of the page, or an exit intent pop-up? For these types of targeted, attention-grabbing opt-ins, you're going to need a plugin specifically for lead generation, and the one I recommend is Thrive Leads. Now, it's super easy to get started with Thrive Leads. All you have to do is choose the type of opt-in you want, then choose the template. Then you can customize the template by changing the colors, replacing images, and typing in your own text. Thrive Leads integrates with all of the most popular email marketing services, so you can easily connect your form to your email service, and then anyone who signs up through your Thrive Leads form will be automatically added to your email list. Now, what's cool about Thrive Leads is that you have complete control over where your opt-in forms are displayed. So you can display them on all blog posts, all pages, specific blog posts, specific pages, posts in a specific category. You can display on mobile only, on desktop only, and you can choose how often to display your opt-ins. And there's lots more to talk about with Thrive Leads, like you can do multi-step opt-ins, you can choose to animate your pop-ups, but I'll let you explore those on your own because we kind of have to keep this video moving. So check out Thrive Leads. The link will be down in the description. Next, if you're running an online business, you're going to need a plugin for selling your digital products. So if you're selling something like an ebook, a PDF document, or a WordPress plugin, then an ideal tool for that is Easy Digital Downloads. What's really nice about this plugin is that it simplifies the process of selling digital products. It has an intuitive interface and easy integration with WordPress, so you can set up your digital store in very little time. Plus, Easy Digital Downloads handles everything from payment processing to secure file delivery, so you can focus on just creating your amazing products. The plugin also supports a wide variety of payment gateways, including PayPal, Stripe, and Amazon Pay, among others. So this flexibility allows you to offer your customers multiple payment options, making it more convenient for them to complete their purchase and increasing your conversion rates. Now, Easy Digital Downloads also enables you to customize the checkout experience. You can enable guest checkout, you can allow customers to save their payment information, you can offer discount codes, and lots more. So if you're selling things like ebooks and PDFs, be sure to check out Easy Digital Downloads. The link is in the description. Next, if you're considering selling online courses and memberships on your WordPress website, then definitely look into Thrive Apprentice. This plugin has made some incredible, innovative upgrades, and it's one I think all online entrepreneurs should consider. So Thrive Apprentice used to be for online courses only, but now you can use it to sell memberships as well. Now you will need to integrate it with a tool for taking payment, so that can be something like WooCommerce, ThriveCart, StudioCart, or Sendowl. But once you've got that set up, you will then have a powerhouse of a course and membership selling system on your hands. And note that you don't actually need a membership plugin like MemberPress to protect your content, because Thrive Apprentice will do that for you. Now you can use a membership plugin if you want to, but you don't have to. Now, Thrive Apprentice has so many amazing features, it's impossible to list them all here for you, so I'll just mention the main ones. First, adding your lesson content in Thrive Apprentice is really easy using the drag and drop interface. You can add video, audio, or text lesson content, and then within each lesson you can add resources like links and downloadable PDFs. You can also customize the look and feel of your online school without needing any coding skills. Thrive Apprentice comes with several templates for how your course pages will look, and then after choosing your templates, you can customize fonts, colors, and other details so that you end up with a uniquely branded online school. Thrive Apprentice also offers drip content delivery so that you can release course content over time, and it also has decoupled drip. So if you want to sell your course without drip feeding content, but then you also want to sell it again a couple months later with drip feeding content, you can absolutely do that. Thrive Apprentice also offers certificates and quizzes. And lastly, Thrive Apprentice offers reporting and analytics features so that you can track your students' progress, measure your course engagement, and identify areas for improvement. Now, honestly, we are just scratching the surface when it comes to all of these amazing features that Thrive Apprentice has. To learn more about Thrive Apprentice, check out the link in the description. Next, let's talk about scarcity-driven marketing. Now, this goes hand in hand with selling products. If you're looking for ways to increase conversions, then a widely used marketing strategy is to introduce scarcity. And what that essentially means is putting an animated countdown timer somewhere on your sales page or on your website. Now, there's a number of reasons why this tactic works. It grabs attention, it leverages the fear of missing out. It also forces people to either decide, yes, I want this product, or no, it's not for me. But what we found is that it definitely works. The tool we recommend for running scarcity-driven campaigns is Thrive Ultimatum. Like other Thrive products, this plugin comes with several pre-designed templates, which are all customizable so that you can change the fonts, colors, and images to match your brand. But what's really powerful about Thrive Ultimatum is the advanced features it comes with. So sure, you can place countdown timers in a sticky ribbon across the top of your website, but you can also run recurring campaigns that repeat every day, week, or month. You can also run evergreen campaigns that are unique to every user and they're triggered by the user's actions. You can also have the countdown timer change colors as the deadline draws closer. You can also integrate Thrive Ultimatum and Thrive Automator and have campaigns start as soon as a specific action occurs. So you can trigger a limited time offer as soon as someone signs up to get a lead magnet. So there's a lot you can do in Thrive Ultimatum that other countdown timer plugins can't do. To learn more about Thrive Ultimatum, check out the link in the description. Next, let's talk about displaying your social media feeds on your website. So everything happens on social media these days. Smashballoon is a suite of plugins that allows you to integrate your social media feeds from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube directly into your WordPress website. And here's why I think it stands out from other plugins. Number one, you can customize exactly what to display using the feed creation wizard. So you can choose the type of feed to display and you can change the layouts and colors. Number two, Smashballoon supports various feed types such as timelines, hashtags, mentions, and more. This flexibility allows you to showcase a wide range of content on your website, from your brand's posts to user-generated content and trending topics. Third, one of the coolest features of Smashballoon is its advanced filtering capabilities. You can easily filter your social media feeds based on keywords, phrases, or usernames, giving you precise control over the content that appears on your website. If you'd like to learn more about Smashballoon, the link will be down in the description. So there you have it. That was 7 of the best WordPress plugins for entrepreneurs. Now there's even more plugins you might want to consider, like an A/B testing plugin, a testimonial plugin, an affiliate plugin. To learn more about those, check out the blog post that goes more into detail. The link will be down below in the description box. Now, if you're interested in any of the Thrive plugins, I should let you know that while you can purchase each plugin individually, you'll actually get the very best value by purchasing Thrive Suite, which includes all of our plugins, including the ones mentioned in this video. Check out that link along with the others down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.